So friends, let's start with today's Besan Barfi recipe. It's super simple and gets ready also pretty quick. Now I've taken about 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water, and I'm just put it in the vessel. I put on the heat. I'm going to stir the sugar and the water till all of the sugar dissolves. Then I'm going to simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes till it starts to thicken. Now you can see the stream is coming in and is not coming in a continuous manner. The minute it starts coming into a continuous stream like this, you know your sugar syrup is ready. So I'm just going to add a teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder, mix it and keep it aside. Now I've taken about 200 grams of besan or chickpea flour, 100 grams of ghee, and about half a cup of dry fruits. And I've greased my baking tray with some butter and put a baking paper, butter paper on it and lined it. Now I'm going to add the besan and the ghee to my pan, put the heat on, and I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes till the mixture all comes together very well like this. So this should take you about 5 to 8 minutes, till you get the aroma of the besan coming through. Just keep on stirring the mixture continuously on a low to medium flame. Now first it will all come together like this, and then again it will become into a kind of a semi-liquid form. Don't stop stirring, otherwise the mixture will get burnt. So just keep on stirring for 5 to 8 minutes. See, it's become into a liquidy form like this. And at this point you'll get the lovely aroma of the frying ghee. At this point you're going to add a little of the syrup at the time. Be careful, the syrup is hot, and keep stirring. Now you'll see that the color of the mixture also darkens as well as it starts to thicken almost instantly. But don't stop stirring. Taste the mixture to see if you want to add more of the sugar syrup, or if you're happy with the taste, then leave it that way. Otherwise you can add as per your taste. And now we're going to again stir this liquid for another 5 minutes till it leaves the sides of this pan. Now I'm just going to put some little bit more of ghee onto my butter paper. That way the mixture will not stick. And now I'm going to put the mixture into the tray and then flatten it out in this fashion. This is a super tasty recipe, and it's very different from besan ladoo, the normal besan ladoo that we are used to. This has got a different taste altogether. So get all of that mixture in the pan, and putting the butter paper down, and also my cake tin rather, has a removable base, so it becomes very easy to remove the barfi. Now I'm just going to garnish it with these nuts. I've gone only with pistachios. You can and almonds. You can make a mixture of whatever, cashew nuts, but just chop them up finely and then press them down into the barfi like this, so that it becomes the top layer of the barfi. And now we're going to set this aside for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, I'm just going to roughly, just cut up the squares like this, because it becomes easier then to cut the squares later on once it hardens. And then I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 2 to 3 hours. And after 2 to 3 hours, you will see that it's become so easy to take out the barfi. So just take a sharp knife and go over the lines that you made. And this thickens, it hardens up, very quickly. So if you refrigerate it for 2 hours, it's very easy to handle these barfis. And there it is, friends. Your barfi is all ready, and you must make this because it's really delicious, and it's a totally different taste from the besan ladoo. So I hope you give this a try, guys. today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.